Hello guys, I hope you are doing good and safe at home. Welcome to Glam Goa and I'm Vishali, and before starting a video I think I should introduce myself first. So I work as a dancer, model and choreographer, and I'm pursuing my MBA from Lucknow University, and right now I'm recording this video for Glam Goa. So here we are in Badi Koti, Prayagraj, one of the most classic hotel, and here we are having some breakfast. So let's start. Let's see how's it. It's yum. I love this poha. So we have poha and puri as a complimentary breakfast, and yeah, it's so yum, like so yum. Let me eat this breakfast and then I'll show you the whole hotel. Yeah. Okay, bye. So now I'll show you the whole hotel. So let's start with the reception part. So come on.
होटल तो मैम अभी बहुत पुराना हुआ है, ये हेरिटेज होटल है, 4 साल पुरानी कोठी है ये।
4 साल?
जी जी।
The oldest car here.
जी। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री।
Like it's the oldest car of Lal Bahadur Shastri, and he was here. And all the pictures you are seeing here, like whatever Mahatma Gandhi and Indira Gandhi and whatever, they all visited here once in their life. So these all the people are here who visited. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. ये हमें इस होटल के बारे में जानना था कि ये कब बना है और क्या है इसके बारे में।
ये अकबर बादशाह शासक थे, उनके समय में जैसे सलाहकार होते थे बीरबल जी, वैसे एक सलाहकार ये भी थे पीरूमल जी, उनकी रियासत थी। उनकी वंशज जो है अभी तक आ रही थी, अब दूसरे के अंडर ये हो गई है। ये मिस्टर रंजन सिंह के इस समय अंदर में है। और यहाँ पर पीएम बनने के पहले लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी यहाँ अकाउंटेंट थे, यहाँ से शिक्षा दीक्षा लिया। हाँ, यहाँ से शिक्षा दीक्षा ली और इंडिया के जितने हाई लीडर हैं यहाँ आ चुके हैं। और यहीं से इनका संग्राम का मीटिंग होती थी और यहाँ से सारा प्रोग्राम तय होता है कैसे क्या करना।
This hotel was built almost 200 years before, and he's saying that this hotel, like Lal Bahadur Shastri, he was accountant before he became prime minister.
54 के जितने मेंबर्स पार्लियामेंट में जितने मेंबर्स थे वो सब आ चुके हैं। और ये स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के सेनानी जो थे वो यहाँ मीटिंग करके अंग्रेज शासन का जो है विरोध करने के लिए ये मीटिंग तैयार करते हैं।
So Akbar Badshah, every king has his own manager who tells them like what is right or what is wrong. So Perumal is one of them, and he built this place as his own house, and then later he decided to convert it as a hotel. So this locker is almost 500 years old. Open करने का है? You can see this.
स्टार्टअप लगेगी ज़्यादा इधर आइए बजट जास्ती
ये कलश किसका है?
पूजा
अच्छा,
और लॉकर रूम भी है यहाँ।
locker room है। So here is store room also. Let's see what exactly they have in their store room. Yeah. This whole thing is used for their drinking purpose. Whenever the people gather there, so they used to drink in this. So you can see it's almost like 200 or 500 years old also. Yeah. So they drink wine. All the 54 members of parliament had visited there, so you can see every person in this picture had visited here. Okay, so
chimney.
Just have a look at it. It's a chimney. Okay, so they have a secret basement here. Let's go there.
उसी समय का सामान पड़ा हुआ है, अभी डेवलप करेंगे। ये उस समय मसाले वगैरह पीसने का काम।
जी
मिक्सिंग उस समय नहीं था।
मिक्सी नहीं था,
सील वो तो अभी भी चल रहा है।
अभी भी चल रहा है, शादी ब्याह में सुनते ही
Okay, so they are saying that there is one more basement under this, but they don't know from where they can go. So yeah.
इसी प्रकार से दूसरा साइड में भी बेसमेंट है।
हाँ, so let's see the whole basement here.
इसको
like basement में they have library part like. आपने कभी देखा नहीं कहाँ से मिलेगा बेसमेंट?
गैस दिया जा रहा है, कहीं तो गैस
So this is the map of this whole basement. You can see this hotel is having its own jail. Yeah, let's see here. It's a jail. The people who are not paying their tax and all, so this jail is made for them. This hotel is owned by manager of Akbar. So yeah, this is the place, and he made this jail for the people who are not paying their taxes, and also he keep them here as a punishment. And yeah.
Yes.
this hall is called as Ganga Hall, and now we are going as in Yamuna Hall. Now you can see the whole hotel is interconnected. ये यमुना हॉल। अब पूजा का मंदिर है। मीराबाई का रूम कहाँ है? अब नहीं। Okay, so they are saying they have Mirabai room also. Let's see where is Mirabai room. इतना अच्छा रूम ऊपर क्या है? ये so it's Mirabai. She was actually madly in love with Krishna, Lord Krishna, but she never saw him like in his life. But only I'm like hearing that Lord Krishna was like this, Lord Krishna was like this, and then she was in love with him. But later then she got married with someone else, but still she was in love with him only. Like she loved Lord Krishna for his whole life. Like, so it's her room now. अच्छा ऊपर स्विमिंग पूल भी है क्या? Swimming pool here. It's a little dirty right now, but you can see it's a swimming pool in the terrace. We have Ganga ji, and here we have Yamuna ji. We are talking about the Mang Mela where we had. So this is the place. You can see from here also.
प्रधानमंत्री लाल बहादुर शास्त्री आते थे तो इसलिए
ये लाल okay, so it's Lal Bahadur Shastri's bedroom. You can see, and so it looks so VIP right now. You can see the whole thing, the bed. It's a library. You can have a look here also. Like Supreme Land Report. Now you are in Gandhi Ji's bedroom. Now you can see the whole. You can feel the aura here. Like this white bedroom, and this whole room is so beautiful. You can see the Gandhi. We are in Gandhiji's bedroom now. The balcony. So see you in our next video in Glam Goa, and till then take care, bye bye, and love you all.